The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to call us at 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. We serve all of Illinois, and we're also happy to meet with you and provide most legal services virtually without requiring you to leave your home. Enjoy the video.
Hi, this is Andrew with O'Flaherty Law, and in today's video, I will be discussing Illinois business law changes for 2022. So, the Illinois business laws that apply depend on the various types of business entities, and this video is going to discuss some of those different business structures and how Illinois business law controls those different business entity types. So determining what type of legal structure to open or to use when you open a new business depends on several factors, including liability, tax consequences, and or how the business terminates and operates. So there's the sole proprietorship. This is the most simple form of conducting business in Illinois. There are no formal requirements to establish the business, and it is simple to terminate the business. One concern with operating as a sole proprietorship is liability. Since the business and the business owner are the business and they're not separate legal entities, the owner is exposed to personal liability and the liabilities of a business. Essentially, they're one and the same. Further, the owner's personal assets are at risk if he or she is sued. It is highly recommended that sole proprietors obtain liability insurance because it will, at the very least, protect the owner's personal assets from creditors. Next, general partnerships. These are going to be covered by the Illinois Uniform Partnership Act. A general partnership is formed when two or more persons or legal entities associate for the purpose of operating a business and sharing in the profits. A general partnership is a separate legal entity from the owners. However, the general partnerships are personally liable for the general partnership's liabilities. General partnerships must file tax returns. A general partnership can be used in its own name and also hold property in the general partnership's name. General partnerships do require formal paperwork. This is called a partnership agreement, and it is a contract between the general partners. It must state out certain requirements, such as the operation of the general partnership. What about limited partnerships, though? So a limited partnership is also governed by Illinois law by the Uniform Limited Partnership Act. Limited partnerships are similar to general partnerships, but has limited partner functions like a shareholder in a corporation. The limited partner is passive other than investments and does not have any involvement in the operation of the limited partnership. The limited partner's liability is restricted to the amount invested in the limited partnership. If a limited partner becomes involved with operating the business, he or she will no longer have the restricted liability of the limited partnership. So how about a limited liability partnership? So a limited liability partnership will register with the Illinois Secretary of State and is known as an RLLP. So in an RLLP, a partner cannot be held liable for other partners' negligence or transgressions. Only if the partner is personally negligent, then the partner can be liable for his or her misconduct. Members of an RLLP can participate in operations of the company and also maintain his or her limited liability status. What about corporations? So corporations are separate legal entities from the owners. The corporation can be sued or sue in its own name and can be a citizen for federal court jurisdiction purposes. Shareholders are the owners of a corporation. The corporate model allows owners to have limited liability, a centralized operation, interest that can be transferred without encumbrance, along with tax considerations. A corporation can have several combinations of shareholders, including individuals, partnerships, other corporations, or any other type of legal entity. However, for tax purposes, if a corporation elects to be an S-corp, corporations or limited liability companies may not be a shareholder in this case. Corporations are controlled by the laws of the state that they incorporated within. The Illinois Business Corporation Act governs Illinois corporations. A corporation, in order to establish itself in Illinois, must file documents called Articles of Incorporation with the Secretary of State and pay the requisite fee. The Articles of Incorporation must be recorded with the local recorder where the corporation's office for service of process is located. The Business Corporation Act also requires that the corporation must have written bylaws. Corporations are governed by a board of directors which are elected by the shareholders. The board of directors have a fiduciary duty to the shareholders and the corporation to act in their best interests. There were not really any noteworthy changes to Illinois business laws in 2022, but again, if you are starting a business in Illinois, it's important to understand that process and everything that goes into it. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and subscribe for more legal content. Have a great day.
Hello again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed the video and podcast. If you did, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please do not hesitate to reach out and schedule a consultation. Most consultations are free and all can be conducted remotely if you'd like. Please email us, book online, or call us at 630-324-6666. We have many locations for your convenience and we serve all of Illinois. So thanks again for watching.